Hello everyone and welcome to my grill. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm going to share with you how to prepare and grill the best beef kebabs. The best kebabs are created when you start with the best ingredients. Our beef kebab meat is cut from beef tenderloin, which is the most tender cut of beef. The beef is trimmed and the silver skin is removed. Then it is cut into 1-inch pieces that are ready to be seasoned or marinated. Today we are following a tried and true recipe to make the best beef kebabs that are simple to assemble and taste divine. All you need to do to create this recipe is the best meat, some veggies, and your favorite steak seasoning blend. Beef kebabs are a great place to add extra veggies, so before you start assembling, you'll need to prepare by cutting up your onions and peppers. Today I will be including some parboiled potatoes. This will balance everything out. Some people prefer to use mushrooms in place of the potatoes, but my family prefers potatoes over mushrooms. If you're using wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water while you're doing your prep. This will keep your skewers from catching on fire in case things get a little too hot. To assemble the kebabs, you'll want to skewer the onion slice, then add the potato, slide on the beef, and then cap with a pepper piece. Continue this same way all the way down the skewer. As you are working to assemble the kebabs, you'll want to preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Once all the skewers are loaded with goodness, you'll want to spray or drizzle the meat and veggies with oil and sprinkle them with your favorite steak seasoning blend. Now they're ready for the grill. We're going to go ahead and place them on the hot grill. Turn the heat down to medium. Allow the kebabs to cook for a few minutes before turning them. The seared meat will release naturally when it's ready, so you'll want to look out for that. You will want to gently roll the kebabs to cook them on all sides. Keep a meat thermometer handy because our grass-fed beef is lean and you do not want to overcook it. You'll want to cook your beef kebabs just like you do any beef steak. I prefer a warm pink center, so I cook my kebabs until they reach 140 degrees. And because they continue to cook even after they're removed from the heat, it's important to let them rest for about 5 minutes before serving. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.